The sun had just set over the small island of Jamaica, casting a warm orange glow over the streets of Kingston. Amidst the bustling streets, a black afro-haired Jamaican man known as Pick-a-Pow to the locals, had set up shop in a small alleyway off of Hanover Street. Pick-a-Pow, the name given to him due to his infamous sales of the Chinese gambling game, Pick-a-Pow, had been on the island for nearly a decade now. Born and raised in China, he had made a name for himself as a skilled card dealer back in the homeland. Years of experience and a keen business sense allowed him to expand his operations and travel the world. Jamaica, with its vibrant culture and strong affinity for gambling, became his next stop. Pick-a-Pow stood proudly behind his makeshift stall, adorned with colorful cards, and the sounds of lively Jamaican jazz music filled the air. He was an enigmatic figure, with a sly smile that hinted at the secrets hidden beneath. His Jamaican customers, mostly men clad in their Sunday best, eagerly gathered around him as the evening sun cast its final rays. Tonight was special, though. It was the night of the annual Big Win. Every month, when the moon was full and a specific astrological event aligned, a special game would be held in secret. It was a game where a single winner would walk away with the grand prize, a sum equivalent to the monthly rent of a luxury mansion in one of Kingston's upscale neighborhoods. Tonight, a young man named Noel stepped forward, eager to take on the challenge of the Pick-a-Pow. Noel was determined to win the big game and change his luck. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the game began, with Pick-a-Pow shuffling his deck of cards with lightning speed and a knowing glint in his eye. As the night unfolded, the stakes grew higher and the air grew thick with anticipation. Noel made his final bet, and Pick-a-Pow slid his hand forward, revealing the winning card. For one brief, electrifying moment, the room hung on Noel's fate. And then, in a flash of triumph, the crowd erupted in cheers as Noel let out a loud shout of victory. The big win had finally claimed his winner, and Pick-a-Pow's secret game would be whispered about for weeks to come. The night ended with smiles all around, and as the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Pick-a-Pow quietly packed his cards and slipped away into the shadows, ready to do it all again next month, under the watchful eyes of the Kingston community, but always one step ahead, ever ready for the next big win.